Keep the faith, man. Keep the faith. Alright, we're going over coffee budget here, man. We're definitely going over coffee budget. That's our second coffee here today, man. Yeah, man. Have a Milky Way, Bremer. It'll wake you up. Well, thank you, Evil Elvis. You're doing good, kid. Show's making sense, man. Definitely making sense. People are starting to like you, man. You're up to something, man. Spooky, man. Beautiful out, man. Look at them skies. Look at them skies. Go out and see a band this weekend. And wake up Sunday morning and say, man, what happened, man? Who was that? Who was that, man? Who I ended up going home with, man? Was that Ed Elvis? No, man, you was Drake the Kish. Cause I would take anything for my baby.